In last class, we have learned how to create a REST API with the following endpoints. Like when we request slash hello, we should get an output with a simple text message. When we request for slash students, it should return a single student in JSON format. And at last, when we request for students, it should return a list of student in JSON format. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to implement an endpoint slash status that returns API is running with the HTTP status 200. So the question says, when you request slash status, you should get an output saying API is running with the HTTP status 200. So many will be having the doubt, what is HTTP status 200? The status HTTP status 200 is nothing but it's a respond status. Like it's saying that the API is running successfully. You will get 404 which says page not found and 500 which says there's an internal server error. Likewise 200 says execution is running successfully or API is running successfully. Now let's see the procedure and check how it works. The first step is to open Spring Boot in the web page, and the second step is to initialize it. Let's do two steps. Open browser, open start.spring.io and press enter. You will be directly redirected to Spring Initializer page. Check the project. Everything will be default, but you should check again. Project should be Maven. Language is Java. We are using Java language, and the version should be latest version. So in my PC or in present 3.5.5 is the latest version. Artifact or name the project. I'm going to name it as status API. Okay, now packaging should be Java. Now you have to select Java version, which version is installed in your PC. To check that, open terminal and type Java dash dash version. Now in my PC 21 Java version is present, so I will select 21. Now you have to add dependencies. In this project only one dependency is used and that is Spring Web. Let's see that. See, only one dependency is used and that is Spring Web. Now the next step is to generate and download the project and extract it. Okay, now everything is set. Generate the project. It's downloading. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now you have to open File Explorer. In File Explorer, you have to extract that file. Extract all. Now you have to select. You can select any directory to extract the file, and I am going to select D drive and extract it. It's extracted, so it is here. Status API. Yeah. Now let's see the next step. See, the next step is to open the project in your IDE. So I am using VS Code. So I will open folder in D drive and there's status API. Yeah, it's here and select the folder. It's opened. Now let's see the next step. Next step is to create a controller class inside source main Java example demo. So here it is demo and in my project it will be my project name. So source main Java com example status API. Here it is status. It's my project name. And you have to create a file and name it anything, like I'm going to name it as status controller dot java. Extension should be Java, and you will be it will come automatically. Class. Okay. Now let's see the next step. The next step is to write the following code. The code is simple and easy to understand. I will just copy and paste it so that the time will be less. Yeah. There's an error while describing the package. You have to just keep the cursor upon it and quick fix. If there is any error, you have to just keep the cursor upon it and select quick fix. It will automatically suggest what had to be done. See, I didn't describe the package correctly, so correct it. Yeah, it's corrected and the error is gone. After that, the next step is to run the program or run the project. So to run the project, you have to open terminal in VS Code and run the Spring Boot using Maven. So open the VS Code, open terminal, run the project using Maven. Maven Spring dash boot colon run, and it will start to run. Here, when you get this means your program or project is running successfully. So the next step is to search for Tomcat, where you will get the port number. See, it's here. Tomcat started on port 8080 in HTTP format. So my project is running in 8080 port. First, you have to check whether it's running successfully. So open browser, search for HTTP localhost HTTP colon slash slash localhost colon port number, and as you have seen in the terminal, my port number is 8080 slash my request is status. As you all know, it's in the question. Request is status. So I got the correct answer. API is running, but I can't see the 200 OK respond. I want to know whether the respond is 200. To see that, you have to go to Postman. See, you have to download and install the Postman. Open it. Open a new HTTP format. Yeah. See, here you have to type the URL http colon slash slash localhost colon port number 8080 slash status. Now you have to send the request. Make sure the drop down is get, because if you only select get in the drop down menu, you will get the output, else you will get the error. So send. See, I got the output correctly. API is running, and here it is. The respond is here. 200. Okay. Now what the response is? The response is requested successfully. I have requested the status successfully and the server has responded as required. The server has responded as required. Like I wanted the server to respond API is running when I request for status, and it has responded correctly. So I assume that you all have understood the concept. Thank you.